Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today you know, I take this the 7 days English speaking challenges, and it is my 7 days, and I have complete my challenge. Okay, I have complete my challenge because your small steps, your big result. Okay, every day your small steps, after that your big this result. Okay guys, and I definitely every day I'm trying to speak, every day I'm trying to learn. Yes, and every day I'm recording myself, and every day I'm speak to English. Okay, I'm thinking English. Okay guys, and I feel so proud of you. I have completed my tasks, I have completed my challenges, and it is my 7 days. And today I'm talk about you my future dream. Yes, my future dream is I have increased my student. Yeah, I have take these classes, I have increased my student, and I am teach to only one subject, and this one is only English. Okay, because I like this English, I love this English, because my initial days I could not able to speak one sentence, I could not learn this language. I can teach very well, but I can't speak to English. Okay guys, but now I am speak very well. Yeah, first time my initial days I have lots of I'm lots of mistakes, I have lots of stuff. Yeah, I'm so fumble, but every day I'm try to speak, I'm not fumbling. Okay guys, because every day you talk to the strangers, every day you learn this language, definitely you are become a friendly speaker. My first dream, I want to become a friendly speaker. Yeah, um, I want to command this English language. This is my dream, and my I have desire. I have one desire. My son and my daughter is talk to the English. Yes, guys, this is my dream, and my student is a talk to the English. Yes guys, and if you want to learner, if you want a beginner, if you want to housewife, and you will try to speak, you will learn this language, definitely you can do, you can speak, because you are open your mouth, definitely you can speak very well. Yes guys, yes, you will try, you should learn. Okay, first time you have lots of mistakes, so first time you have lots of mistakes, grammatical mistakes, but you are recording yourself and you are rectify your mistakes. Okay, your house is a lots of things, you describe these things. Okay, mistake is a learning. Yeah, but you will try to speak. This is my uh, this is my wish. Yes, everybody is a learn this language, because English is a so important, English is a so uh, English is a so easy. You have only afraid, you have only English is a it is not my cup of tea. Yeah, you will try, English is a your cup of tea. Okay, but you will daily try, not off and on. Okay, not off and on, because every day you are small steps, after that your big result. Okay guys, you will try and you will speak, definitely you can learn this language, you can speak very well. Yeah, and you feel so proud of you, you feel so proud of you. I am speak to English, I feel express my thoughts. Yeah, I'm so proud of you, because I will talk to the English, I will I learn this language. Yes guys, thank you watching this my video is like and subscribe, you can do, you can speak, keep learning, keep practicing. I will meet next video. Bye bye.